This is how I must work. I must work in secrecy while everybody's asleep. Anyways, what I'm gonna be doing today is got these little nifty pedals right here. They're gonna be going on there. So I'm gonna take off the gas pedal mount. I think it's two 10mm screws. Pull that off from looking at Sebastian's video. I need a punch to punch out the pin so I can pull out the pedal off the gas pedal. The clutch and the brake just slip on. He recommended soap and water. And then the dead pedal is not going to be a direct fit, so it's going to need to be basically need to take this one off, and then I gotta trim that one around, basically just leaving the flat top and then screwing it onto that one basically. Yeah, that's the project for today. Pedal off, take a minute to see where I had to slide it off or how I needed to take it off, but there it is. I had to take that cable off right there. The two mounts that were right there, that's right there, the two screws. Dead pedal, I believe, just pops off. Let's see. There we go. All right, let's get to work. Someone woke up. Say hi. Hi. No? Oh, there you go. I am trying to punch out this pin now. Yeah. So I got it. I had to take it over there to the rug because I felt like I was banging a little too hard for the countertop. Anyways, punched out the pin. So the factory one slides out. Slide the new one in. Slide in the pin. Hammer it back in. Easy peasy. So yeah, same as Sebastian's Celica XRS. It's not a direct fit. You can see it's a lot shallower of a dead pedal or pedal rest. So basically I'm gonna have to trim right below the, the top, somewhere like right here. Yeah, probably like where this lip comes at. I don't know if it'll slip over, but I'm gonna try to go like right here and just follow this lip all the way around, and basically this is just gonna get screwed on top of that. Yeah, fun times. All right, I got my little tiny workspace set up. Clamped it down. Literally I just gotta wait now until the baby takes a nap. Yeah, I don't think he'll want to be in here in his little high chair. Hearing this little drill rotary tool go zzz. I think I got the spring back on correctly, but I just need to put this other screw on. All right, they're on there nice and snug. Just one good for this one, I think, and it is on there. Yeah. That should do it. this is the tool you want to have. Forget a Dremel. I mean, I had the super cheap little Harbor Freight one that's like $8, but even then, it seemed like more work. I had this oscillating tool. Got it at Walmart. Hyper tough, bro. Yeah, 2.1 oscillating. It is adjustable speed. Man, that thing just cut through that like butter, just like zzz, nice and smooth. So this is the tool you want right here. It says wood and metal, but this is the tool you want right here. This trimmed it so fast. This is like 2 minutes. You saw how fast I went through that. This was just shaving it like a hot knife through butter. It is ridiculous. This is I think this was like $20 a few years ago. It might be like 25 now, but yeah, this is what you want right here. The little Dremel with the little sanding wheel, so that kind of cleaned it up a lot, like straighter. And then have this little sanding block, which is medium to fine. This is like medium right there, and that's fine. So still a little rough, but it was pretty good to like kind of sand it down nice and straight. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna go now. So basically it's just gonna overlap just like that. So let me try to get this on right. Yeah, so it's just gonna kind of mount on there like that. Yep, that's just how it is. Then I don't think I have any self-tapping screws, so I might just have to drill a couple little small little holes where the factory screws were in the pedal, like a little bit smaller than those screw holes, and I don't know if they're long enough that they'll reach through, but if not, I'll see what I got in my toolbox that'll work. Yeah. I got it mounted on there. These yeah, so that's how it's gonna look. These factory screws, they barely holding on. I don't have any good self-tapping screws. I need to go buy some, but they barely hold. But it's a rest pedal, so it's not gonna have a lot of abuse. It's just resting your foot, so it's not really gonna be an issue. I don't hardly ever put my foot on there, but you know, another week or two, or whenever I get the time, I'll go to Home Depot and get the right screws, self-tapping, and then you know, pretty flush like those ones would be. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this sucker on now, but here's a good look at it. Yep. Pop this sucker on. Where is it? There we go. So that's installed. The gas pedal's already installed. I'm about to slip these clutch and brake pedal ones off, and yeah, and that should be it. I highly recommend, if you have one of these prying trim tools, kind of like get behind under the lip and kind of like pull it out a little bit, and kind of just pull it out a little bit and kind of just run it through, and then once you get it around that corner, it just pops off so much easier. The clutch and the brake pedal are a bitch. I think I got the brake on. I feel like the lips all around it. Let me put the camera behind it, and then I'm gonna have to double check it. Just double check the video. The lip is on there completely perfect. I think I kind of figured out the little technique I need to do to get the other one a lot faster. Let me get that one, and I'll be right back. Let's get a better angle from over here. Damn, that looks really good. Thanks again, Sebastian. Too Slow, aka Corolla Lola. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I probably butchered it, but yeah, it looks really good. They were a pain to get in, though. I'm not gonna lie. They were a pain to get in, the brake and the clutch pedal, but man, they look good.